Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about HTML5 headings and how to write headings in your HTML. Okay, let's do it. Our topics: my first web page. My first, no, there is not HTML heading. Now write. There has a H1 to H6. There has a 6 headings, 6, and I'm just writing the heading H1, heading 1. I want to copy this one. Just Control Delete from your keyboard. H2, H3, H4, S5, S6, then flare, save, and there is some different because everything is S2. There should be S2, S3, S3, S4, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now save. Yeah, H1 means this is a bigger headline, and this heading, and this is the smaller than H1. This is the smaller than H1. This is the smallest. This is the smaller. H6 means this is the smallest in heading. This is the biggest one. This is the biggest one. The biggest, and this is the smallest. This is the heading. You can write heading with this code. So thank you so much, and see you on next video.